In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove estimated taxes on Shopify. First, open the Shopify website and sign in to your admin dashboard. From the sidebar, click Products. Choose the specific product you want to adjust. On the product page, scroll down to the pricing section and find the option labeled Charge Tax on this product. Toggle this off to stop Shopify from calculating tax on that item. This tells Shopify not to add estimated tax at checkout for this product. When you're done, click Save at the top or bottom of the page to apply the change. If you sell multiple products and only want some of them tax-free, repeat this process for each of those products. If you want to turn off tax across all of your products at once, go back to your admin and click Settings in the lower left corner. Select Taxes and Duties. In your global tax settings, disable the tax calculations so Shopify won't apply taxes store-wide. This is a broad change that affects every product and all tax regions you've configured. Click Save to confirm. Keep in mind that tax rules vary by country and state, so make sure this approach aligns with your business requirements and local regulations before applying it globally. Now let's make sure your storefront messaging matches what customers see. In the admin sidebar, click Online Store to open your Themes page. On your current theme, click the three dots to open more options, then choose Edit Default Theme Content. In the Theme Content Editor, click Content. Use the search field to locate any text related to taxes by typing taxes. You'll see labels or messages that appear on product pages or in the cart, such as tax lines or estimated tax notes. Update the relevant text so it reflects your new setup. For example, replace the wording with tax-free where appropriate. This change is purely visual. It updates what customers read without affecting your actual tax settings. When you're satisfied, click Save. After saving, preview your storefront and add a product to the cart to confirm that taxes are no longer being estimated and that the wording now says tax-free where you updated it. If you ever need to reverse the changes, you can re-enable the charge tax option on products, turn taxes back on in Taxes and Duties, and restore the original theme text in the same place you edited it. This gives you full control over both the calculations and the customer-facing language.